Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable extended squad movement in Football Manager Mobile 2024. So you can demote your player. For example, tap the young player from Manchester United, Harold Malaysia. You can tap this player, like this. Tyrell Malaysia, tap to action, or you can like this, move to reserve, like demote, permanently move player to reserve, or the next match move player to reserve for next match only, or you can do it to your reserve team. For example, this one, Isak Hansen Arun, sorry, he's from Denmark, wonder kid. you you can tap this, move to first team, like permanently move to first team squad. So you have to start new game if you want to enable this feature, extended squad movement. Let's get back to the starting menu. This is start menu. If you are fresh install, just tap the settings button, tap view, tap starting configuration. This one, extended squad movement, turn it on. So you can move your player, like demote your player into reserve, or your reserve player move into your first team, or promote into your first team. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the button below. Enjoy the game.